Hello everyone, this video is for Microprocessor Lab. You can use the direction in this video for your programming in first lab. So assuming that you set up the project properly and you followed all the steps from the lab manual, then if you go to the Processor Expert tab on the top, then you should be able to see the push button components and LED components. And please make sure that the get valve function for the push buttons is check mark and it's green. And the put valve function for LEDs also check marked and green because you need these two functions. So on the right side you can see the program. Make sure your program is written inside the for loop. So this is the for loop and this is a short program that I have written for you. If it is not inside the for loop, your program is going to be executed only once, so nothing happens. So you need two functions. PB's get val is reading the value of the push buttons, and LED's put val is writing to the LEDs. Where do we get these functions from? Simply, if you go to the get val function, you can drag it and dump it wherever you want in your program. So you can see the PB's get val appears here. I'm going to just delete it because I have already used it. Same thing for put val function. You can drag it and dump it wherever you want in your program. So I'm going to delete it again. So how do I write a program? I'm going to just give you a simple example. So I use an if like instruction, and I said if PB's get val is equal 1. Basically, I said if the value you're reading from push button is 1. So push buttons, there are 8 push buttons. So 1 means 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. This is 1. Since I'm going to only wire 2 push buttons to the port, so I only care about these 2. The others are automatically always read as 0. So 0, 1 basically is what I care. So the first one means the first push button is not pressed, and the second 0 means that the second push button is pressed. So push buttons, when they are pressed, they are interpreted as 0 in the program. So PB get val equal 1 means the condition where the first one is not pressed and the second one is pressed. And I'm going to delete this part. And I say if that's the case, then LED put val 15, it means write 15, and the 15 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This means basically the first 4 LEDs are off because the LEDs are reverse logic, and the second batch of 4 LEDs are on because we are writing 0 to them. So this is a simple example that you can use to develop your program for other combinations of inputs and outputs. Hope that helped, and good luck.